Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. In this video, I'll tell you how to check your TCS NQT scorecard with step-by-step process. Also, I'll tell you, is TCS October 2022 NQT scorecard released or not yet released? So please watch full video for better understanding. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first let me explain how to check your TCS NQT scorecard. So for that, you have to visit this website. This is the TCS Ion website. So this is the official website of TCS. Don't worry, I'll provide link of this website in the description box. So this is the website link I'll provide in the description box. Once you'll click on that link, then you will find this page here. So simply, you can see here explore option. So please see this button carefully. You can see now this option is explore. So after that, you have to click here login. Then you have to log in with your account. So simply you have to enter your email ID and your password. So simply I'm going to enter my password here. So I entered my password. Now I'm going to click on this login. Once I'll click on the login, and yeah, after that just wait. Now you can see that explore option is changed to view details. You can see here. Now you can see here. Now my name Anurag Tiwari. You can see now. So this is the one step. So after this step, simply you have to click on this view details. Once you click on the view details, then just wait. Here you can see, once you click on that option, then you will find this page here. You can see applicant details, you can see registration number, first name, last name, all the details you can read. Just you have to scroll. I am not going to scroll here, right? So after that, you have to click here scorecard. So simply you have to click on this option scorecard. Once you click on that option, then you will find your scorecard if it is available, right? So you can see, I can see total 4 scorecards. So I gave 4 exams, yeah, last year, right? So I can see all the scorecards here. So simply you can click on the download scorecard, then you can download that and you can see that scorecard. Okay, so this is the process how you can check. So if it is available, then you can see scorecard here. Otherwise, you will not see anything here. So daily you have to check if it is whether it is available or not. Now the answer of that question is is TCS October 2022 scorecard available or not? So answer is not yet. So not available. So then next question is how much time it will take? So it may take up to 1 month. So you can expect your TCS NQT scorecard till 10th November 2022. So this is just a expected date. So daily you have to check, and if it is available, simply you will able to see your scorecard, right? So this is a way how you can check your scorecard. And there is another way also. So once it is available, then you will receive an email from TCS, and in that email they will provide you a link. Simply you have to click on that link, then you have to enter some of the details, then you can log in, and after that also you can see your scorecards. So that is second way, but this is one of the easiest way. So daily you can check here, right? Yeah. So now let me discuss another important thing. So if you want to get some job updates, latest job updates, so then you can visit this website, job updates for you here. So this is the website. So here you can see the daily latest job updates. Suppose if you are a fresher, you can click on the freshers. Then you can find lot of jobs here. As you can see, date posted. So these jobs are posted on 24th October 2022, and this job is posted on 23rd October. As you can see here, just you can scroll and you can find all the details. Suppose if you want to see the details of this job, simply you have to click on this. Once you click on that, then you can find all the details here. You can see company name, job roles, everything you can see. And after that, simply you can click here to apply for that job. If you click here, then it will read out you on the official website. So all the details you can see and you can apply. So this is a website which I wanted to tell you. So simply you can visit this website for daily latest job updates, right? Yeah. Don't worry, I'll put a link of this website also in the description box. So please check it out. Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.